Welcome to the daily levels for Friday, June 7. It is almost 7:45 a.m. Eastern, and the levels you see here on the board are what we will use to trade against in the E-minis. If the SPY hits these levels, they probably will. They've been hovering, at least so far in the pre-market, around this 534.34 and the close from yesterday. It was important yesterday, probably will be important today. And that could change a little bit at 8:30 because there is a data release, the average hourly earnings metric, which the Fed looks at pretty closely to determine interest rates. And that could set the tone for the day. And since it's Friday, let's take a look at something else. Here's the weekly chart, and 533.07 is the high of the week ending 524. So this doji candle you see, the high was 533.07. And so I think they're going to want to fight this level. Bulls are going to want to stay above. Bears might want to push this down because the timing from this little move here was right for some type of interim trend change, and they did. We called that one. They moved down quite a bit of ES points for a week, but they're back above it. But look at the volume. They've just been getting really, really low on volume. So it's kind of a precipice area. I mean, you can look back in time where you had really big spikes in volume, and typically there is some type of trend change. Something happens. The mood of the market moves from bullish to bearish or vice versa. And so if we get a big spike, not saying it's going to happen today. In fact, 550 doesn't look too far away on the monthly chart. And that's when volume can pick up. We still have 3 weeks, exactly 3 weeks from today before the monthly candle closes. And a lot can happen in 3 weeks. Just want to point out kind of where we're at today, since today's Friday. And they're going to probably fight this level. If they stay above it, we're good. If they get below, then we can get some movement. And let's go back to the full day in the 1 minute chart. Just to point out, that's the area we're talking. 533.13 is what was formula derived today based on math. Right below that is an important level. So, this is going to be an important area. Here's a zone up here, kind of all-time highs. If they get there, the idea would be to scale in for a reaction in the opposite direction. And we'll come back to this chart this afternoon or evening after the market closes, and we'll look at all the trades that were taken in the E-minis based off these levels. And see you then. Thanks.